Aloha everyone, my name is Kyra Santos and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, rocking my $5 jewelry. I lead the Shine with Aloha team here in the beautiful state of Hawaii. Today's video is going to be all about the crazy amazing Paparazzi Premier shipping subscription plans. Now we have two that they are offering to help reduce the amount that we pay each month. As of February 3rd, 2023, they have two new shipping subscription plans. One being free for shipping 25 packages or less in a month, or the next one being $9.99 a month, and you can ship as many packages as you want. It's unlimited. Check out this video on how to update your subscription plan. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign in or log in to your Shipping Easy account. Now, if you have not set up your Shipping Easy account already, then go ahead and follow the training videos that they did for Paparazzi Premier. If you click on the description in my YouTube channel, you'll be able to see the link to the training videos they currently have. After you log in, this will take you to your actual Shipping Easy account. Click on the hamburger button on the top left, those three white lines, if you are not able to see your name or that account icon. This will take you over to the menu as to what you can choose from. Click on your name or at least your icon. Now click on Settings. And under Account Settings, go ahead and click on Subscription and Billing. I have already changed my subscription, but I will show you for this purpose. So go ahead, the plan, as you can see under my subscription summary, the plan type is currently the $19.99. As of February 3rd, 2023, Paparazzi has allowed two plans to take place. Free if you only ship 25 packages or less, or if you ship more, then you're going to want to pay the $9.99 per month, which is unlimited. I currently use my Shopify store to mail off most of my packages, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of the free plan that they have, mailing off 25 or less packages this month. You're going to click Change My Plan in blue. Then you're going to select the plan that you would like. In this case, it's either the $9.99 or it's the free plan. Look at both descriptions to determine which one you want to choose. Once you save it, it'll lock in your current subscription, so you're going to be unable to make changes during that billing cycle. Well, I hope you liked this video and I hope you're enjoying Paparazzi Premier. Yes, there are a lot of updates. Yes, there's a lot of changes, but guess what? This is a one-stop shop for us paparazzi consultants, and it's only getting better each time they make updates. So stay strong, stay focused, and keep your eye on the prize. If you're interested in joining Paparazzi Accessories, please email me at shinewithaloha@gmail.com. Click the description to connect with me on other social media accounts. Please like this video, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell on so you get notified when I post the next video. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Aloha.